starts.
Already started.
She already started and ain't nothing happening. Oh well.
Oh, that's... Come on, you guys gotta play. Let's go.
All right, let's go. Come on. We only have too much daylight.
We have a lot of light though.
You get basketball. Your ball.
Court at the church.
Okay, this is...
You only imagine if we actually put a cement slab or something
we are.
over there. Still gonna keep those.
The parking lot's gonna be all
bars or whatever there. Turn it on.
Hey, put us on the camera though.
You are on the camera.
Just from right there behind the church, right? And then
Come here, come here, come here.
Trash in the camera.
Come here real quick. Come here. No, come here real quick.
No, we just want to greet the camera. Like,
We've had that asphalt now for like forever.
Come on, hurry, hurry. Hurry, come greet, come greet.
16? By one?
13.
No, 11. We'll start off with 11 because
11? Ones and twos or ones?
Ones and twos, right?
Meaning that if you pass the shooter from the 3-point, that's 2 points, and then the other else is 1 point.
All right. I know.
Okay.
All right.
Look at, she has NBA shorts on. You guys,
I got my Golden Valley shorts on. They won, okay?
you guys.
Golden Valley be beating
Move it
East
slow,
Side any
Mom,
day,
so,
dude.
you know, you go.
Yeah.
Take it easy, killer. Go over there and be popping the gun show.
Woo! You gotta take it back. You gotta take it back. No good. Yeah, you gotta quit. We got you on YouTube already.
There'll be basketball fails.
Hey, should we go by one, two?
Oh! Come on, Andrew, no mercy. He's having mercy on the brother. Come on, Andrew.
This is going on YouTube.
That's your
guys.
ball.
You can't be going over there doing that.
Yeah, you rebound, mijo. Each time you rebound, you gotta take it back.
Are we going by ones and twos or just ones?
Ones and twos, you already said.
Okay, I forgot. All right, let's go now. Game on, let's go.
Oh, Jesus.
What the heck are you doing? Go over there, so videotape that. Go over there and take him out with the knee. He's going out. He's laid out on the
All right.
1,
No.
0.
That was messed up. I thought he was going to go out, so I was like, I didn't lift up to go over there and move out of the way.
I thought
2,
rebounds were taken out.
0.
You have control of it.
I thought it's Luther's vlog.
No. 2-0.
It's funny.
Oh, snaps.
Put pressure on her, Nan. Oh!
Tell me I don't like about these manufacturers. Even just the slightest amount of pressure extra.
Come on, Nan.
Everything looks ugly as heck.
Oh.
4-0. 4-0. All the way, Nan. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo! 5-0.
Them ripping the popcorn machine.
Dang.